Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell website templates on Etsy store in 2024. So Etsy, of course, first of all, is a great platform for showcasing and also selling your digital designs. So in this video, I'll guide you through the steps of creating listings and promoting your website's templates. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video. Simply, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use it if you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Just go and type etsy.com. It's your first time, of course. Basically, you'll be taken to a place like this. So etsy.com. You'll be taken basically to the same page as you can see. Nothing basically different, but here you'll find the sign in option. Click on it to sign in into an account. You can use Google, Facebook, or Apple if you don't want to go through all the boring steps, as you can see, of logging in or even creating your account. Once you log in and create your account, you'll need to create first of all a shop if you don't have a shop yet. And of course, how to create a shop. I've already made some videos about it. So make sure to go and check it out because it's a long steps. So make sure to do it. For me, I'll just go here and access my shop manager right away. And as you can see in here, I'll basically to sell my website on templates, website template on Etsy. All I need to do, of course, is have my website templates ready. If you don't have it ready, of course, first of all, you can just go to design it. If you still need to make any changes, as an example, you can of course design it using like Adobe XD, Figma, Canva, like a lot of options. Just go and edit it however you want. And once your design, of course, is complete, make sure to export it in a format that's easy for buyers to use. Common format will normally be HTML slash CSS, or it could be even PDF instructions, PSDS, or even like as a zip file. So package, of course, everything on a zip file, like then include, of course, a clear and detailed setup guide to help buyers install and customize your template. Of course, now once you go once you're in Shop Manager, go to this list panel, click on listings right here. Once you click on listings, as example for me, for you, don't like, or for me, don't like mine, this account is suspended. I did not pay for my plan, so they suspended my account. Of course, as you can see, I will not be able to add the listing, but for you, just go and click on this at the top right corner, add a listing button. You'll find it black, like right this gray. For me, I'll just go and edit this listing. So it's going to be the same as adding a listing. So just go and click on add a listing. Once you click on add a listing, you will find yourself in here. You'll have to fill up all the information, starting by the title, as an example. So let's say it's a template here. I'll just go and name it template. And photos and videos about your templates. Example, so if you have a video scrolling through that template, if you have like a picture of the homepage of that template, make sure to add the copyrights to it or something like that, so people do not steal it as an image. It's actually up to you if you just want to keep it as it is. As an example, just click on whatever you want and you'll be able to upload whatever you want to it. As an example, maybe add this picture to it. As an example, as you can see, it will be added here. You can add multiple, as an example, up to 10 videos, 10 photos in one video. Thumbnail, make sure to upload like a thumbnail. It should be like, I guess, a square. If it's not square, it will not be accepted. And here you'll have to add your digital files. So normally, click on add a file and just upload the zip file. That includes everything. As an example, as you can see, your file name must be between 3 and 70 characters and contains only letters, numbers, and yeah, of course. Okay, I'll just go here and remove it. Click on add file. First of all, I'll just go here and click on rename and just name it templates. As simple as that. Click on open, or it should be uploaded right now, and very easy. Yeah, as you can see, template.zip. I have a video with it, an example, an image with it. It's up to you to add whatever you want on that template. So do whatever suits you. Then add a subscription. So what did you create? As an example, I'll just choose a Canva. Sorry. So a Canva templates. Of course, if you're not good, as example, as creating the description, you can simply just go to whatever like AI tool like ChatGPT and simply explain to it that you want to sell a template and ask to create a specific, I don't know, description for you. If you have any personalizations, make sure to add them. As example, instructions for buyers, what to do exactly with that zip file. It's actually up to you. You'll have here to set the price and the quantity. Because it's a digital file, make sure to just put the highest. So the highest is 19, as you can see, 999. Variations are available for digital items, but normally for template, it should has a lot of variations. As example, maybe you're changing some stuff for it, but it seems like in Etsy it does not include the variations for digital items. For let's just as it is for me. And for details example, digital file, of course, where when it's created, who made that example, everything that you wanna do it, make sure to do it. As example, how digital content created, example created by me or AI generator. It's actually up to you. Category, as example, so it's templates. So it's already like for me, already like choose a template. For you, as example, choose template. Attributes like primary colors, etc. Just go and choose them. Example, maybe for me, I'll just choose black and blue. Occasions, example, I don't know. I'll just choose games or gaming or I don't know which. Oh, like occasion. Of course, you don't have to add those stuff. It's not mandatory, but you can add them. Tags, as example, I don't know, templates. If it's for something specific, you can simply just add it. Maybe it's for gaming. You can add with its games. You can add a specific game to it or whatever you want. If it's like famous materials, example, you want to add, you don't want to add. It's actually up to you. Shippings will not have it because it's digital. Settings, example, you'll be able to change whatever settings that you want. Example, it's actually up to you. A renewal options, example, each renewal like lasts for a month, etc. So you can make it automatic or manual. It's actually up to you. For me, I'll even like turn it off, or I'll turn this on. Why? Because it will feature my listen. As you can see, it will showcase this listen at the top of your shop homepage to make it stand out. So if you have multiple like listings, it's better to do it once you edit all those things. Yeah, all you need to do, just go and check out everything again. Just double check everything. If you're good with it, just go and click on publish. You'll find publish instead of save changes in here. And once you do it, you should be good to go. You'll find it on your listings. If you go here, you'll find it on your listings and that should be great to go for you. Now it's time to promote it. Of course, you can promote it using some social media like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. You can even try to collaborate with some influencers, as example, to reach a broader audience. Utilize email marketing to notify, as example, your subscribers about new listings, special offers. And yeah, all you need to do now is just track sales, analyze performance, adapt to it, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.